Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge Lee with a daily morning update for Bitcoin. I think we need to be a bit cautious of the bear. While this ABCDE Elliott wave triangle is clearly a potential with the rise of the price to finish the C wave, the following needs to be noted. Many of the altcoins, in fact just about every altcoin, is looking very ABC-ish, three-wave-ish. Here's Ethereum, A, B, C. Here is Dash, but with a slightly different kind of an ABC. It's called an expanded A, B, C, where the B travels below the origin of A. So we have 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have Steam looking very ABC-ish, from which I took sizable 54% profits. I got at around just at around 40 cents or so. Was that too early? Absolutely. Did it bother me? Not at all. Very three-wave-ish, and I believe I've already alerted this on the alerts. Overbought conditions. When it's three-wave-ish, it is not impulsive. It is corrective. It is a bear rally to the primary trend of the decline. Here is Litecoin, ABC-ish. Three waves again. Cannot be ignored. This ABC-ish feature is a 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A beautifully set up zigzag. Thereby, I think what we think is potential is in fact that this ABC for Bitcoin is also likely an expanded ABC. There you go. This actually had been staring at me for a few days, quite a while actually, and I've been kind of thinking, well, maybe not, maybe not. Well, I think maybe so. And this expanded flat of ABC, where the B rises, falls below the origin of A, very similar to Ethereum, Dash. ABC looks almost identical to Bitcoin for Dash. This, I believe, will be changing my primary count. I have been asking for an A, B, and a C. The thing that bothered me about the ABC rising higher is that the wave 4 proportionally will be so grotesquely out of proportion in time and price scale that I think this ABC on an expanded note for Bitcoin is more of a proper call. So we have ABC for A, which is 3, ABC for B, which is 3, and 5 waves up for C. So the remainder of this could be a series of nested 1-2s, where you have 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and the next thing will be a sizable decline potential. And the nested 1, 2 would be representative as this label shows, 1, 2. Then wave 3 decline is beginning, and this is 1 and 2 of 3. And this is blue 3 declining. This is 1 and 2 subwaves of the blue 3 itself. Bearish, yes. This had been staring at me for a bit, and I have been trying to see this as a 1, 2, and potentially a 3 as an alternate count, or more importantly, an A, B, C as a primary count. I had the primary count as S, A, B, C. Still potential, yes, absolutely. It's on the table of probabilities, absolutely. But given how everything else seems already complete in their ABCs from an altcoin perspective, the conclusion I'm drawing here is that we've actually probably had an expanded ABC very similar to that of Dash. It looks almost exactly the same. Now Dash 2, you can say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, thereby 1, 2, 3, absolutely. But usually this is not how a bottom takes place. And the bottoming process is not a V-neck usually, from a major corrective bottom perspective. So I'm changing my primary count to just an expanded flat of an ABC with an 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 series of nested 1, 2s. And in effect, that would mean lower lows would be ahead. My primary did consistently always call for the sub 3 case. It's just that in this primary call, we're going to get it earlier. We're not likely going to get that C in the low to mid 4Ks, but the C actually finished here, given that this is an expanded flat. Okay, I wanted to get this out soon. I thought about it quite a bit for the past few days. So again, this is my primary count that this expanded ABC is complete. We now have a series of nested 1, 2, 1, 2s to a lower low of a sub 3K coming up soon, I think. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.